What's that, Ayla?
What's that?
Frog. How about the chicken?
Chicken?
How about the monkey? How about the dog? The cat? The cow? How about the snake? How about the horse? The bird? The pig? The pig? The duck? The goat? The lion? The dinosaur? How about the bird? How about the fish? Bakit ganun ang fish? How about the fish, Ayla?
Paano fish?
How about the lizard? Very good naman ikaw. High five! Mami naman. Good job!